we are back at this here Bonus Life, and it's my birthday, and we got FGTV toys. So I got 5 of them. Mommy, Chase, and then these are the new ones. Lucas, Daddy, and Mike. Okay, let's go give them.
Where you at now?
We at cicis Pizza. And then we're gonna go to the bank. And then we're gonna go to Target. And then maybe we're gonna do a video at Target. Thank you, Daddy.
You're the only kid in here, man.
Yeah, I'm the only kid.
You gonna say anything else?
Is it cheese?
That's
Oh, no, that's
just
pineapple.
chicken and barbecue.
Okay, let's see.
You gonna say anything else?
Oh, here it is. Man, I actually came here for his birthday. It's a YouTube channel, baby. What are you doing, Mom? Are you doing a YouTube channel?
You done?
And here's Mommy. Here's Daddy. Alex and my brothers are at school. And in a few days, wait, hold up. And in a few days, we're gonna have toys. We're gonna have toys of us. So you better put a lot of likes so we can have toys of my family. So that's all for today. Bye.